this is the alginate powder, and you can see this is the miring scoop for powder. It has holes. So as we described in the alginate impression material, that they comes in tubs. These are the tubs. It is not the tub which is commercially available. We have bought our own tub, but this is the tub, 2.5 kilo or this sort of thing. So we have to, first of all, we have to close this container or tub, मुकम्मल बंद करना, and then before using we have to invert it, then keep it for 1 minute or some time so as particle should settle down. Then we open it, and this is the perforated impression tray. We are going to take the impression of this model. It's an old model, and we are going to take the impression. For alginate, we are using this straight spatula and this flexible ball. So 1 scoop of water, will be directly poured into this bowl, and then we have to add 1 scoop of now 1 scoop of powder, and we can, or we must balance it or with the wall of the container, or to ensure that our material is closely packed and fill the entire miring scoop. We have to draw it along the, or press it along the walls of the container. Then we have to pour it into the bowl and mix it in, and making by making 8. So this is the mixing of alginate through making 8. This is the 8. You can go straight for round motions, but 8 motion is preferable because we have to mix it thoroughly. Then this is our mixed alginate. We have to put it on our impression tray. It is little bit short, but as this video is intended for your educational purpose, so we are not using the full material. So we have to put it on the model and press it gently. You can see these perforated holes have locked the material because the material emerged out from these perforated holes. So this will facilitate our holding of the material. Which material? The alginate material. And you can see the set material. As the weather is hot, 31 point something is temperature in my clinic. So you can see these are the the set material, and here we can see the set material by pressing gently these projections of the material. If we cannot press them, these projections, and these projection not comes out and flow toward the tray or toward the pressure side, then the material will not be set. So the temperature at this time is 31 degrees centigrade. And now we are opening this model and the impression. Gently pull out this. Now you can see a nice impression of this model is there in the alginate impression. Now we will make the model through this impression.